Hey guys, day 89 of the PCT, and this morning we have 11 miles to go to Manchester, where we're gonna resupply and get some food. And I also got myself a new sleeping pad, so yeah, it's gonna be cool. And then we're gonna go back on trail and try to do 12 more miles, and next stop will be Etna. Yeah. So we are about to reach 1,500 miles. Super exciting! So we are back on trail after going to Manchester for a few hours to resupply and get some food and chill for a while. So yeah, we're gonna try to do some miles. It's 3 p.m. so I'm not too sure how far we are gonna go, but yeah, see ya! Hi guys, day 90 on the PCT, and this morning we left quite early because we have a big climb right now. So yeah, it's supposed to get really hot today and in the next few days, so I guess we're gonna try to leave a bit earlier to avoid the heat. So yesterday we ended up doing 22 miles, including 4 hours stop in Manchester, so not too bad. And today we're gonna try to do around 25 miles. Yeah. p.m. We have done 20 miles, so we are gonna go off trail point 2 to Porcupine Lake, where we're gonna chill because it's quite warm. So yeah, and then we're gonna hike a bit more, maybe 5 to 8 miles more. So that's the plan. Hi there! So we stopped at the second lake to have dinner, and we're just hiking 3 more miles because it's quite flat and cruisy. So yeah, we decided to hike a bit more today because it's supposed to be really hot tomorrow. So the more we do today, the less we do tomorrow.